Hi guys, it's good to see you again. Whenever we need peanut butter, we have to go to supermarket to buy that, and you have to pay minimum 200 rupees to get that. But at home, you can make your own peanut butter for just 30 rupees, and that's gonna be healthy. So let's start. So I have taken peanuts in this bowl. If you want to remove the skin, you can. I am going to use it as it is. So first step is we are going to roast peanuts. Turn on the flame. Now I am going to put peanuts in the pan and I will stir it until it gets properly roasted. Peanuts are cracking up, so it seems like they have been roasted. So I'm going to turn off the flame. As you can see, peanuts have been roasted. I will let it cool down for a minute. That will help in grinding the peanuts. So finally guys, our peanut butter is ready to eat. It looks so creamy, and that's how you can make peanut butter at your home, and it's also very healthy.